Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and customizing your Core Numbers widget using the Divine API dashboard. This widget is a powerful tool for providing personalized numerology insights based on your birth date and name, offering detailed readings on aspects like life path, destiny, and personality. By integrating this widget into your website, you'll provide your visitors with a meaningful and engaging experience. Let's get started. First, log into your Divine API dashboard. Open the login page in your browser, enter your registered email and password, and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access all the available features. On your dashboard, look for the Widgets option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will bring you to a list of widgets. Select Numerology, and then choose the core numbers to proceed to its customization panel. Now, let's integrate the widget into your website. The customization panel provides multiple integration options. You can use the script code snippet to embed the widget directly into your website's HTML, an iframe code for platform flexibility, a WordPress shortcode for easy integration into WordPress pages, or a Wix Shopify code for your site or store. Choose the option that suits your platform, copy the code, and paste it into your website's backend. This will make the widget live. Next, let's customize the Core Numbers widget to align with your branding. You can start by creating a new setting by clicking Create New Setting, or to edit an existing one-click edit setting. Name your configuration like Core Numbers Widget for easy reference. You can personalize the design by selecting from pre-designed color themes like Serenity or Evergreen, or by customizing colors to match your brand. Choose fonts that suit your website's style, whether it's an elegant serif like Cormorant Garamond or a modern sans serif like DM Sans. For the heading, set something like Numerology Insights to catch your users' attention and use a subheading such as Discover Your Life Path. This helps users immediately understand the purpose of the widget. Additionally, personalize the form heading, for example. Set the form heading to Get Your Numerology Report to clearly indicate the form's purpose, and change the button label to Get Report Now for a clear and actionable call to action. Check once it's done. You can also edit input fields like first name, last name, date of birth, and methods. We offer 3 method types: General, Chaldean, and Pythagorean. If needed, you can rename these fields to better match your website's tone or user flow. This allows you to maintain consistency with your brand voice and offer a more intuitive experience to your visitors. Before finalizing, use the preview functionality to see how the widget will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This ensures the design and content are consistent across all platforms. Once satisfied, click Save to store your changes. Then click the Back button to return to the widget overview, where you can copy the updated code for integration into your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Core Numbers widget. This tool will add valuable numerology insights to your website, engaging visitors with personalized readings. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available to help. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.